us joy. Lord, to give up, I'd be a fool. You are my